Hi, my name is Manish Sansi. I'm the founder of Algante Technologies. We have built a product which is using AI to manage investment assets. If you have ever invested in equity markets, whether directly or through a professional manager, you have all witnessed a common problems, actually a few common problems. The first and foremost is consistency of results. You have seen great returns in some years and not so great in the others. It doesn't matter what style you pick, active investing, passive investing, index tracking, friends or family advice. This problem does not go away. What is the source of this problem? Well, all the decisions are ultimately being taken by human traders. Whether it is the portfolio manager or the quantitative modeler, the decisions will ultimately boil down to their personality, how they view the market risk, conditions, potential, and also how they view your risk appetite. Some legendary traders of past and also of current generation did manage to overcome this problem. They are very few and they are very inaccessible. And if you are amongst the fortunate few investors who have access to those funds, you know you're paying a very high cost to get that advice. Uh, the next problem that people face is liquidity. In times of crunch, your investments in funds are not liquid. You cannot access them. There are usually lockups, redemption gating, and you have to actually put in a request to get your money out. Finally, personalization is a problem. In the current world, we all want to express ourselves in some way, even through our investing, our decisions. What kind of investor do you want to be? You want to be an impact investor? Do you have any kind of religious constraints, like using Sharia compliance as a guiding principle? As you look for these specific kind of personalization, the options that you have in the professional asset management world narrow down further. So we set out to try to solve these problems. What if there could be a solution that could keep your assets aligned with where the market is going, securing good returns, irrespective of market direction and volatility, provide you instant access to your cash, and model your portfolio according to your preferences while still generating good returns and keeping a low cost base for you? Our solution: an AI asset manager. It's an end-to-end AI managed process, starting from strategy creation to strategy selection to strategy execution in the market. The way this product works is that the AI will first interface with you, try to understand who you are, ask you a few simple questions, understand what kind of assets, geographies, personal style, anything that you want to express, gets that information. Based off this information, it will create a bespoke trading solution for you. And as if once you approve this solution, as it deploys this solution in the market, it will keep on constantly learning from the new market data that is coming in and keep on improving this solution with the objective of giving you the best quality returns. After we built this solution, we tested it out in the market for 7+ years. And during those 7+ years, the AI never had a loss making year. It outperformed the markets and all relevant benchmarks by a huge margin. Now, we feel confident that we can roll out this product to clients. Initially, we plan to roll it out to professional investors, which can be corporate treasuries, family offices, endowments, sovereign wealth funds. And after this phase, our plan is to roll out the same product to retail investors. Before we do so, we are in the process of applying for the necessary regulatory licenses to make our product available to investors. So we've been working on this particular solution for 10+ years. Personally, I have been working on this solution for now 20+years. In my first job, I worked for a hedge fund where I had to design investment and trading models. And the first model that I ever built took me 6 months. And when it was deployed in the market, it crashed. It did not make any money. My big takeaway from that process was that I viewed research as a process. I actually view creativity also as a process. And I wanted to create an AI process that could effectively do my work for me. I wanted to gain more experience. I went and worked as a prop trader at Deutsche Bank, trading global markets. Then I went to MIT, got my MBA degree there. And when I built up the team to build this product, the only people we hired were software engineers. My current team, which has been with me for almost 10 years, they specialize in software engineering, data sciences, and together we have created this product. We hope that this product serves its purpose and produces a high quality, low cost return for our clients and users. If you have any further questions, please do join us in the virtual booth after the event is over, and we'll be very happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.